Hey, what's up, y'all? So one of my biggest questions is, how can I take care of my unit? How do I take care of my unit? Well, for one, you have to make sure that you actually like covering your unit when you go to sleep and when you in the shower, or when you're doing any other extracurricular activities. You know, you can make sure that you're covering it up. But for the most part, if you have curls or you have waves, you want to make sure that when you go to sleep or and you in the shower, you want to make sure that you're actually covering up your unit and making sure that you know what I'm saying, keeping it tight. So the first thing I'm gonna show you guys do is how to actually put a do-rag on your unit. Now, if you have curls, you want to make sure that you're not compressing your curls with your do-rag. You want to make sure that you're leaving some space in there so your curls don't be smushed or be tangled in the morning time when you have to go about your day. So when you put in your do-rag on, you see me with the cape. Anyways, see, put it down. Now, when I say you want to leave a little wiggle room, you want to make sure it's not too tight. I am the worst at putting a do-rag on, but I can show you what I'm talking about. So, then I'm going to tie it in the back. The worst do-rag tie in the world. So yeah, so when you put it on again, you want to make sure that you got some space in there so you're not compressing your curls. If you do have waves, then of course you can wear it as tight as possible. Just try to wear it, try not to have it too tight to where you're leaving marks in your forehead. If you do have your curls are not popping like you want them to be when you wake up in the morning, I'm gonna show you a few clips of things that you can do to get your curls back rejuvenated, and you can go about your day like it never happened.